Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to shoot a quick video talking about JP Morgan's self-directed brokerage account. It's a very big bank out there, and I wanted to briefly just talk about their self-directed platform that you can open up an account on, and just kind of talk about my experience I've had so far with them. So this is a quick little demo of the first, of one of their website overview pages. It looks like they have an offer if you roll over to them. Depending on the amount of money you roll over, you could earn an additional bonus for doing that, ranging 5,000 to 25,000. They'll give you a $50 bonus, and then it kind of just goes up from there. If you roll over more than $250,000, they're going to pay you $700. So pretty cool. A couple of steps here that you'll have to follow in order to get these bonuses, but pretty easy. General investment account, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, some different account types that they have. And then so I'll leave a link to this little offer down below. You guys can check out for sure. Coming back over to so this is once you create an account, this will be kind of like the portfolio page. The first page that you see, as you can see here, I have $353 in my account. I think my only positions are one share of the Dow 30 Spiders ETF DIA. But the first thing that I noticed, it quickly shows you, the value of your investments or account per se. In this case, it's 100% because I have one share and that's it. To the days gain loss, overall gain loss, and then estimated annual income. So you have different, your top positions. You can add different stocks and ETFs to a watch list here. You can create a portfolio builder. I believe there's a minimum, but this looks pretty cool. I think you might have to have $5,000. Fund your account with $2,500. Okay, so it has to be $2,500. But once you get that built up, it looks like it's something similar to like M1 Finance, where you can select the weight of your positions. So that's pretty cool. I'll definitely, whenever you have $2,500, I'll shoot another video kind of demonstrating that design, build, trade. So yeah, pretty cool there. Let's go back to our investments page. So it looks like it just updated a little bit. The market might be, dropping. So scrolling back down a little bit further, just kind of shows you, I've had some money go in and out of this account. Here are the indices, the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500, New York Stock Exchange, and so on. Pretty cool. And then looks like they have some news reports. Okay, let's go to the positions tab. Like I talked about, shows you all the positions. So we're up a whopping 97 cents on our one share of DIA. Shows you the asset class that you're invested in. So we're in US large cap equity. This is large cap value, but it looks like it does not show that. Margin details. So they allow for margin accounts. Okay. And transactions, realized gain loss. So let's just search for, JP Morgan. So what you'll do, you'll search for the stock or ETF or mutual fund that you want to invest in. Click JPM in this case. Come to this page, and then it shows you kind of an overview, recent earnings, year-to-date return, the last time they paid a dividend. They have some analyst ratings, buy, hold, sell. Some other key data points here: statistics, market cap, earnings per share, price earnings, today's volume, the average, annual dividend yield, and so on. So pretty cool there. Here are the top 10 funds, ETFs that hold JP Morgan. So that's pretty cool. iShares owns 12.57%. US Bank 3x inverse, and so on. So pretty cool here though. They make it pretty easy to to get a quick understanding of what this ETF is. Gives you an overview, gives it some analyst ratings, some statistics, some news. So pretty happy with that. So if you want to trade, you would click trade, and it would bring you into this trade window. It would show you, the last size, the last sale size, and the bid size, different things like that. You can do buy, sell all, market, limit, stop. So pretty cool there, pretty easy. Looks like. Let's move on to mutual funds. Same idea. You buy, sell. JP Morgan, they only allow periodic investing. Here it is right here. Did you know you can set up repeating purchases of a mutual fund? Yeah, so I was about to say that they don't allow that for stocks and ETFs to my knowledge, but they do for mutual funds. So that's a great passive way to invest. Set it up one time and it's gonna repeat those purchases for you. They allow options, probably not as intuitive as some of the other platforms, but for some of the basic options out there, it's definitely doable on their platform. Fixed incomes, if you want to buy a CD, corporate, different bonds, treasury bills, different things like that. Pretty easy to do there. Yeah, like I talked about, you can add margin to your account. And then lastly, periodic investing. Find a mutual fund, choose an account you're going to fund it with, whether it's your bank account or brokerage account. And then once you do that, you can set it up. So for this example, let's say we wanted to invest into the, Fidelity money market account, pretty popular money market out there. You'd select your account, so your checking account, the amount you want to do it, and then I believe they allow you to do it weekly. So that's really cool. I know Fidelity does not allow that. That's something that I recently discovered. They only allow monthly contributions. You can do, and it's not like a day of the week either. Like you can specify like the 1st and 15th of every month, but you can't, specify like every Monday I want to buy. It's not as many options there, but pretty cool thing with JP Morgan is you can do weekly, twice a month, monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, twice per year, yearly. So they have multiple options there that, can make things pretty easy to use. But yeah, I think that's probably the rundown for what I'm going to show today. Pretty cool and easy to use platform. Definitely probably not as advanced as, some of the other ones out there. But for the basic investing, if you're just a long-term investor and you just want to invest in some mutual funds, ETFs, or something like that, I think it could be a very useful platform. If you already do your banking with JP Morgan, it may just be easy to have it all at one, institution. They are separate from the banking. I think it's like a different entity, but they're pretty intuitive where you can transfer back and forth and stuff like that. But yeah, it's overall from what I've seen so far, pretty cool platform and pretty easy to use. They have, different ways to find investments. So pretty cool, needless to say. So definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. It's a link to that offer that JP Morgan is currently offering, and you guys can go check out that platform if that's something that interests you and you want to earn that little bit of money for opening an account. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. This once again is talking about JP Morgan's self-directed account online, where you can open an account, start buying stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. So yeah, just another brokerage out there that is pretty easy to use. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below.